Hey wonderful people, for many years I've wanted a drone for photography with a decent lens and 4K picture quality, but I am too old and too stupid to buy an expensive DJI Mavic drone, plus they need an iPhone. I don't have an iPhone. What I've always wanted is a drone that doesn't need a phone, that has a few professional functions such as follow me and tracking at a press of a button and doesn't crash. Well, I found one on Kickstarter called a HoverAir X. Here it is. It folds and fits in your pocket. It's under 250 grams. How it works is you just switch it on.
Current mode, custom.
It speaks to you, and using the selection button on the front, hover, zoom out. Follow mode without a phone is what I've always wanted. You can whip it out of your pocket, set it up in the air, and it will follow my bicycle. But there's more. My favorite function it has is
custom dolly track.
Dolly track. What's that? Wow. You can cycle towards it and it will track backwards. It doesn't seem to have much collision avoidance, but you don't need it because the propellers are all encased in this frame. If it ever hits something, it's not going to remove your props. So I wrote to HoverX on their Kickstarter campaign and said, I, as a professional broadcast filmmaker, would like to try out this drone. And they said, it's only available in the US and the UK. There isn't an EU model. But they said, when we do have a EU distributor, you'll be the first to get one. And I think this is one of their first drone models actually in the EU, specifically here in France, where you can now fly it legally and buy it. So rather than doing just a boring unboxing video where I list all its specifications, I thought as a filmmaker, I'll demonstrate some of the shots it's possible to get. Dorothy and I are making this documentary on Cézanne, the French painter, and we took the HoverX all the way down to Aix-en-Provence for these amazing shots. Plus, I've been testing the HoverX around our garden and, of course, following my electric bicycle. So set to some YouTube music, here's a selection of the shots that I've actually got with the HoverX.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
So there you go, the HoverAir X. I really like it, but there's something I don't like about it. Well, as a professional broadcast filmmaker, I really wish it had a pop-out SD card, but it does come with a 32 gigabyte internal memory. But what you have to do is plug it into your computer. On a broadcast production, plugging in the drone to your edit suite is a bit of a pain in the backside. And it's not actually 4K. The maximum resolution is 2K. But you've seen the picture quality. I think it's jolly good. Of course, I'm missing something completely out of this review, and that is you can actually use a phone. It comes with an app for your iPhone or even your iPad to set it up. And with the iPhone, you can download the images from the drone to your phone and then share it. Or you can fly it manually using the phone. But I don't have one. I needed a lightweight, foldable drone that you don't need a phone for. And the HoverAir X really does work well. The longer I've had it, the more I like it. For those that want to know, I should also tell you about the battery power. It comes with two 5-minute batteries, which is long enough for most shots as long as you plan ahead. And of course you can buy more. The battery charger is super smart. It charges 2 batteries at once, putting all the power initially in the lowest battery. And I think they take probably about an hour to charge. It's fine. So thank you HoverAir X for sending me your first European model of this fantastic drone. If you would like one, here are the details and the discount code.